Good morning, guys. This is Jane with Century 21 Arizona Foothills. I'm here with Chris and Trina at their new house in Northeast Mesa. They own an air conditioning company and they're going to give us some tips.
Hi, I'm Chris with True Home Maintenance Air Conditioning Heating. We just bought our new house. Just want to take a few brief moments with you guys and show you how to properly change your air filters. For just a brief moment, I'm going to show you how to properly change your filter. One, I have the fan in the on position, so the fan is actually running right now. On mine, I just have little tabs that pull out. Some of yours will actually have knobs, so you'll take your knobs off and or open up your clips and then gently pull down the door. You do want to be careful, as some of these doors are removable. For instance, on this one, I can gently lift up on the door and I can take this off. Put it back on, you slide up your hinges, and it hangs right back onto the frame itself. This is an example of a filter that's been left in for way too long. As you can see, the top of this filter is actually coned up from the air trying to go through it. As I pull this down, you'll be able to see the difference between this filter and what this exact same filter looked like when it was new. When you put your new filter in, and the reason why I leave the fan on is because it actually helps hold the filter in place. Put the far corner in, put your next side in, and as you can see, this filter actually lays in flat. It's not coned up in the center. At that point, you just raise your door back up, close your clips. The last part is, if your filter frame is collecting dust on the face of the filter frame, you can take a Swiffer like this, or even a damp paper towel will work as well. You just want to come through and you want to dust all of these veins off. If you do it while it's running, you don't have to worry about anything falling in your hair or your eyes, because it does get sucked up into the new filter. Or if it is removable, like this one was, you can actually take this outside and clean it on the ground. Thanks a lot, James, for having me. Again, I'm Chris with True Home Maintenance Air Conditioning Heating. We do valley-wide service. Give us a call at the contact number below.
Guys, thanks Chris for those AC tips. This is Jane with Century 21 Arizona Foothills. Check out our contact information at the end of this video.